Jamaican roots and herbal remedies. The use of roots for medication is ancient knowledge. The ancient Egyptians had a file called the Ebers Papyrus dating again to 1550 BC. It is an Egyptian medical papyrus with herbal information for the treatment of intestinal ailment, diabetes, dementia, depression, skin problems and bronchial asthma. Most of the Jamaicans that originated from Africa come from the Congo Basin. In Jamaica, we use roots tonics to heal the whole thing from cancer to erectile dysfunction. Most of the understanding we have tailored from Jamaica comes from our elders, which include the Moors. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and humble.